Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Today I wish to discuss one interesting function about Excel, and that is Randbetween. If you want to find any random number between any two numbers, then this function helps you. So how? Let's have a look. Suppose if we want to find a random number between 0 to 9, how should we do that? Check it here. Is equal to Randbetween. Here you can see also description returns a random number between the numbers you specify. I will put 0, 9 bracket complete. So it will give me the random number between 0 to 9. Similarly, if I want to have a random number between 0 to 99, how will I get that? I will simply copy this, paste. I will simply change it from 9 to 99. And here you can get the random number between 0 to 99. So in this way we can find the random number between any two numbers, and at every refresh the random number will change. I hope you like this video, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.